Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about biotin. It is also your vitamin B7. It is also known as anti-egg white injury factor or coenzyme R or vitamin H. If you see the structure of biotin, it has a imidazole ring in it which is fused to thiophene by a valeryl side chain. Now, whatever the foods you take which contains biotin, it is usually present in the form of biotin. This whole structure which you are seeing is biotin. Now, in biotin, what happens is biotin is bound to amino group of lysine residue. In order to make the biotin free in our body, biotinidase cause proteolytic catalysis of this bond which is present between biotin and lysyl side chain and make the biotin free. If you see the metabolic role of biotin, it mainly acts as coenzyme in many carboxylation reactions. Of course, there are few biotin independent carboxylations which we will see in the end of this class. Now, where it is helping in the conversion of acetyl CoA to malonyl CoA and pyruvate to oxaloacetate and propionyl CoA to dimethyl malonyl CoA. All these reactions are being done by the enzyme carboxylase. Okay, if you see the deficiency, usually biotin deficiency is rare. Why? Because the reason is biotin will be synthesized in our body with the help of intestinal bacteria, and it is also widely present in foods like yeast, soya bean, milk, egg yolk, liver, etc. Even if there is a deficiency, these are the causes for it, which are because of prolonged use of broad spectrum antibiotics, because of which it will kill intestinal bacteria, excessive intake of raw eggs, raw egg white. The reason is raw egg white contains avidin in it. Avidin has high affinity towards biotin. So one molecule of avidin will bind to 4 molecules of biotin. So if you boil the egg, what happens to avidin is it is heat labile, so it will get destroyed. So it is advised to take boiled eggs rather than raw eggs. Now if we see the deficiency manifestations, it includes muscle pain, dermatitis, glossitis, hallucination, depression, and hair fall. If we see the recommended daily allowance for adults, it is 20 to 30 microgram per day, and in pregnancy and lactation, it is 35 to 40 microgram per day. Now we will see few biotin independent carboxylation reactions. First thing is during the synthesis of carbamyl phosphate. This reaction is present in your urea cycle and in pyrimidine synthesis. Second reaction is present in pyruvate getting converted into malate by malic enzyme. Third reaction is during gamma carboxylation of glutamate. Fourth thing, during addition of carbon in purine ring at sixth position. Okay, thank you.